Hi, this is Brian Fogarty, and this is a video for Chapter 15 of the book Quantitative Social Science Data with R, 2nd edition. So in this video, what we're going to do is run a ordered Logit regression using strong leader as our outcome variable. So what we need to do is we need to create a new version of strong leader that is ordered as a factor. Okay, because previously we had it as a numeric just for convenience sake. So we've done this before. It shouldn't be completely crazy and new and anything like that. We're just going to create this as a new variable. I'm going to do Kenya subset. All right, the assignment operator, then Kenya subset, and then use piping here, and then we'll do mutate. And I'm going to name this strong str leader ord fac. Again, it's not the best name because it's kind of a mouthful, but it's trying to convey a bunch of information without being ridiculously long. Okay, so equals, we're going to do ordered, and then as underscore factor, and then strong underscore leader. Okay, so we'll highlight that. And then we should check it, but I think we're good. We'll get an error otherwise. All right, we need to load the mass package. I'm going to do library mass. Okay, because we're going to use the polr or polr function for the ordered Logit. All right, we're going to do summary. I'm going to save it as model.to. Assignment operator. Then polr is our function. Strong leader. Am I already messing that up? No, that looks good. Strong leader ord fac tilde, and then our predictors. We have pol syst status. So, oh man, I don't love the name, and I keep messing it up. All right, ideology. And plus responsibility, plus confidence, plus, I'm going to go down, whoa, that's weird, hold on a second. Hold on a minute. Now I know what's going on, hold on. That was super weird, I must have hit something strange. There we go. Alright, plus, we left confidence, and it's hfin underscore status plus age plus sex plus edu. Then we're going to do comma. Let's see, what do we want to do? Let's method equals logistic, and then comma data equals Kenya subset. Okay, so again, we've seen this all before in Chapter 13 when we looked at this stuff. I think that looks good, right? So running ordered Logit here. All right, let's highlight it and run it. Okay, if you remember, we don't get the nice stars and p-values, but we're looking at the t-value, and we're looking to see ones that are, so we're looking for absolute value of roughly 2. So those are statistically significant. So we see confidence, fin status, not status, and edu are statistically significant predictors here. Okay, so if we wanted to, we could also plot the coefficients like we did earlier in this chapter with the linear model, and we did previously in Chapter 13. I'm just going to skip it, but again, you might want to do that. But what we're going to do is we're going to test the parallel regression assumption. All right. So we're going to load the Brant package, and then we're going to use the Brant function with model.to. Okay, so we see here, this is what we're looking at. omnibus is sort of overall, and that will tell us whether our overall model violates the parallel regression assumption. So here we see that it does, okay, because the probability is below 0.05. It says here the probability is 0. Okay, so at this point, if we were being legit, kind of by the book, we would say we can't keep going with the ordered logit from model 2. We would need to do something else. We could use a nominal level, so like multinomial logit. There's some issues with that. Again, it's kind of like a nuanced argument what to use. We could also use a generalized ordered logit, which is a bit tricky. So what I did was I created a document that has how to run a generalized ordered logit in R using this model here. So it's not in the chapter itself that's in the text, but it's online. You can go through it. So just for the sake of sort of learning process, we're going to ignore that we violated the parallel regression assumption, and we're not alone in that, as so many folks do as well in sort of normal research. Maybe not that satisfying. All right, so that's it for this video. The next two videos are going to look at interpretations. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.